Hi, Alex.
Hello, Tom.
I want to buy 2 horses for my farmhouse.
Tom, you've come at the right time. I just bought 3 horses yesterday. I'm sure you'll like them.
Hello, Ethan.
Yes, Ryan?
Ethan, we've bought 2 cows from my dairy house.
Okay, Ryan, I'll deliver them now. Load the 2 cows and drop them at the destination.
Hello, Carter. Yes, Liam?
I need 2 goats for my meat shop right now.
Okay, Liam. I'll deliver them right away. Load the 2 goats and drop them at Liam's meat shop immediately.
Oh my God! Our sheep has been stolen!
This is a big issue nowadays. Theft is increasing.
I think we should buy a dog for our animal security.
That's a good idea.